Okay, so now we continue our session for XRD analysis. The first step that's really important is a sample preparation. Okay, normally for XRD powder, as I mentioned in my video, in previous video that I made before, so normally for XRD analysis, the specimen normally we use as a powder form like this. Okay, this one after we crush the sample. Okay, let's say if you have the solid sample, okay, what you should do is that you need to get this solid sample like this. Okay, like this, the solid sample you can see, solid one, and then you can use this how we say, the pestle and mortar. You grind it, okay, until you feel it's very fine. Okay, and then you need to prepare the sample and then send to the Encik Zaini for the testing. Okay, in my previous video for introduction part, okay, I mentioned already XRD analysis only for crystalline materials. Okay, I also give you simple example like we use salt or garam in order to measure whether that salt is sodium chloride or not. So normally for XRD analysis, okay, we have many type of sample we can prepare. Okay, the first one as a powder form, as you can see here. Okay, number two, you can make your sample as a solid sample like this, and then you still need to convert it into the fine powder. Okay, how you want to convert? You need to grind. Okay, and then number three, you can use the thin film as well. Okay, in our machine we have the capability to test the thin film specimen. Okay, the last one, for XRD we can measure as well the liquid, but unfortunately in our school or faculty we don't have that such kind of holder in order to measure the liquid form. Okay, so now I want to teach you how we prepare the sample. Okay, I just want to show you the sample how we prepare the powder form specimen. Okay, the first thing what you should do is that you need to label correctly the sample, because normally for XRD the sample might be same color, same physical appearance, sometimes same smells. So very difficult for the assistant engineer to identify which sample belong to which specimen. So the first thing what you should do is that you need to prepare it as a powder form like this, and then you need to use this, how can I say, the powerful tools, the glass slide like this. Okay, the glass slide, and then this one, the sample holder. These are really important. You cannot use other sample holder other than this. Okay, because this one is already customized for XRD machine. Okay, and then after you have these two tools, okay, like this, the sample holder and also the glass slide, you need to put the powder inside this, how I say, the holes. Okay, you can see something like the line here. Okay, this line here we call it as a sample region. You need to fill up this region with your samples. Okay, after you put this, okay, you need to use this glass slide in order to flatten the specimen surface. Okay, I want to highlight this important condition. Okay, when you prepare these samples, okay, the most important factor is the surface must be smooth as possible. Okay, there are many reasons why we need use the smooth surface. Okay, maybe you can check inside the Google, inside the YouTube, why when we perform this sample preparation for XRD analysis, we need smooth surface. Okay, if you can produce the smooth surface, you might get very how can I say, consistent results, instead of you just prepare the rough specimen and then your result might be, how can I say, misinterpretation or wrong interpretation. So please careful when you prepare the sample. Okay, I think if you have any question, feel free to post my YouTube as well my e-learning portal. Thank you very much.